Okay, the first test is going to be the internal microphone on the Canon M50. No external microphone at all. I'm sure it sounds low and weak. So let's change to the Purple Panda and see how it sounds. Okay, now we've changed to the Purple Panda lavalier. It's here on my neck. I'm all corded up to the camera. Have a short distance to get away. I'm an arm length away from the camera, but it doesn't matter because the mic is right here on my throat. But that'll give you an idea of what the Purple Panda sounds like. I'm sure it's much better than the internal microphone of the Canon M50. So let's change over to the MOVO VXR10PRO now and see how it sounds. Okay, I've undone the Purple Panda here using the MOVO mic mounted on the top of the Canon M50, arm length away, kind of like a vlog style video. Kind of turn my head, talk away from the microphone. I'll go ahead and get behind the mic. I'm behind the camera like I would be videoing something, and come back around to the front and see how different that is. I'm sure it sounds good, and it's probably pretty close to the Panda, the Purple Panda lavalier. This just gives me more freedom. I don't have something connecting me to the camera. So yeah, let me know below what you think it sounds like. I'll drop some links for the MOVO VXR10PRO and the Purple Panda below. They're Amazon affiliate links. I do get a little percentage, a little cut of the money, so helps them pay for camera gear though. You guys let me know what you think. I'm gonna go inside and do some distance testing, see how long it takes this to drop off. Okay, now I have the Canon M50 on a tripod. I'm gonna raise this up just a bit so I don't have to squat over. Okay, now we're on a tripod. I'm about 4.5 feet away from the microphone. I'm going to go ahead and step back and start walking back and see how far it takes this camera or this microphone to fall off and start sounding bad. I'm probably 20 foot away right now. I'm sure it's not picking me up very well. Dogs barking in the background. I'm not sure if it'll pick them up. So yeah, I'm probably 40 foot away right now. About 40 foot from the microphone. I doubt if it's picking me up at all. But I'll get up here a little closer. Get up here closer to the microphone. Now I'm sure it sounds way better, much better. Like I say, dog barking in the background, about 100 yards away. Not sure if this mic picks it up. You guys let me know in the comments which audio you like better. This is the MOVO VXR10PRO, VXR10PRO, Purple Panda, then the internal microphone. You guys just let me know what you think, and remember, it's not what you can spend, how much you can spend, it's about the memories you make. Pow!